Welcome to Bike Shift, your trusted destination for automotive stories, future machines, and icons reborn with modern engineering. Today, we explore a legend returning with boldness and raw mechanical pride, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. A vehicle that once roamed rugged hills, muddy trails, and wild terrains across India and beyond, now making a grand comeback with a modern heart yet old-school soul. The CJ3B has a history rooted in defense, utility, and timeless off-road character. The 2026 model stays true to its roots, keeping the classic upright stance, flat fenders, boxy silhouette, and tall bonnet line. It's not just a vehicle, it's nostalgia on wheels. A reminder of the era when Jeeps weren't just driven, they were felt. Mahindra maintains the instantly recognizable vintage look. Steel-heavy construction, minimalistic body lines, round headlights, and exposed hinges give it that raw retro charm. But beneath that classic coat lies modern refinement. Updated LED lighting replaces old halogen units, a stronger chassis increases durability, and an improved suspension setup makes off-roading more controlled and comfortable. While the exterior screams past decades, the cabin quietly whispers 2026 with digital instrumentation, improved ergonomics, and a more driver-friendly interior layout. The original CJ3B was never about top speed, it was built for places where roads didn't exist. The 2026 model continues that philosophy but with more power and better efficiency. A new generation diesel and petrol engine option brings stronger low-end torque, ideal for inclines, rocky climbs, river crossings, and deep rural terrain. Four-wheel drive remains its true backbone. Engage low range, and the CJ3B becomes a mountain goat with wheels. Simple, mechanical, purposeful. This Jeep is not meant for polished highways, its home is the wilderness. High ground clearance, improved articulation, and a redesigned 4x4 drivetrain give it unmatched off-road strength in its segment. Whether it's deep mud, broken paths, or steep slopes, the CJ3B thrives where usual SUVs would hesitate. The tire tread pattern is aggressive, the chassis is reinforced, and the power delivery is tuned for endurance rather than aggression. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B isn't for everyone. It's for explorers, farmers, adventurers, off-road clubs, and anyone who values simplicity over sophistication. A machine for those who want to feel the vibration of the engine, the crunch of gravel, the wind on their face, and the thrill of going places untouched and wild. The CJ3B has never been just a Jeep, it has been a symbol of freedom, strength, and unstoppable spirit. With modern upgrades blended into its classic skeleton, Mahindra keeps the legend alive for a new generation. The 2026 CJ3B Jeep reminds us that technology may advance, but heritage never dies. The icon returns. This is Bike Shift, signing off with another story of power, legacy, and machine passion. Stay tuned for more automotive journeys.